Here's how to click or engage with TV screen YouTube ads for each type of TV. On smart TVs and streaming devices, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, you'll simply use your remote control. When an interactive ad appears, a button like Learn More or Shop Now will show up on the screen. You'll use your arrow keys on the remote to toggle to and highlight the CTA, then press OK/Enter to interact. After clicking, either a companion experience, like a QR code you scan with your phone, or a YouTube channel/brand page will appear inside the YouTube app. Then there are TVs controlled by gaming consoles like Xbox or PlayStation. Same deal here, except instead of using your remote, you'll use the joystick or D-pad to toggle and highlight the CTA. Just press A for Xbox or X for PlayStation to click. Then there's second screen pairing to mobile for YouTube on TV. If your phone is connected to the TV via YouTube's Watch on TV feature, the ad might send a prompt to your phone instead of requiring a click via the controller. You can then click the ad on your phone screen, which many find as often an easier option than using a remote. Reach out to Pixability to learn more about all things YouTube advertising on TV screens and beyond.